lovelies, Neo here of Ahhhsoneo. Welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing. If you would like to see what I have picked up from the Louis Vuitton Monogram Giant collection, then watch on. Hey guys, this is Neo. I hope you are doing well. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but these things happen and you know, sometimes a girl gets busy. So I just want to get right to it because I'm so excited for what I recently picked up. But I gotta do a little housekeeping first and I gotta slow down because I think I'm talking too fast. So welcome back to my channel. If you have been here before, you're the real MVP, so thank you so much for taking the time to come back. Look at that one strand, Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate the support and the views. And if you are new here, then hey, welcome. This is a channel that's just all about luxury, whether that's handbags, shoes, makeup, just an abundant type of lifestyle. So thank you so much for checking me out. If you've been here before, if you're new, if you've just never done it before, then this is the time for you to hit the subscribe button. Hit the button, hit it. And of course also the bell. Don't forget the bell so that you can know when I am posting. I'm trying to get to posting a regular schedule, but I've been a total failure at that. I'll get there, I'll get better. So I did have an unboxing. I had this massive box that came here. There were two other items inside the box, and those are actually in a separate unboxing video that I should have already listed by the time you see this, if you see this. And inside the box there was also here. Hold on. I do have a receipt. I'm not gonna do like a whole big disclaimer because at this point, who's trying to show off face? But I did pick something up from the Monogram Giant collection, and I have to say though that I'm not 100% sure about this bag, which is why you may never see this unboxing, or you may see it within the context of all the other bags that I have bought and sold or bought and returned. I just want to say that, you know, some of these bags can be a bit pricey, and I don't believe in keeping a four-figure mistake. I just don't. If it's not for me, I will send it back. And then I just never unbox it. And then the other thing, I guess I'll do this video, but I'll go into detail about why I am not sure. So when I saw the pictures of this bag online, I was like in love. I wanted it so much and very excited. I wanted this particular bag and some of the matching SLGs, which is what's in my other unboxing. And then I remember the day before my SA sent it out to me, she sent me additional pictures of the bag that I had not seen, that were not what were on the website. I hadn't seen this online. I bought it completely just sight unseen, and she sent me additional pictures, and I looked at them and I was like, Anyway, let's go back. But I did. I told her to go ahead and send it because I had not seen the bag in real life, and sometimes you really have to try a bag on to know if it's for you or not. And you know, I actually feel like I'm gonna blame Louis Vuitton if I do end up returning this bag, for a very simple reason. Because so many things now are limited edition, limited quantities, pushed out so quickly. And if you don't live near a store, don't have time to go down to a store on the release date and so on, you'll find that things are immediately sold out, just immediately sold out. And I kind of felt like I had to get it when it was available to me and then make my decision whether or not I really wanted versus I really wanted, let me get it. I was just afraid to lose out. And I feel stupid for saying that, but it's true. I was really afraid to lose out because I knew that if I didn't get the bag and then decided later on when it was sold out that I did want it, one, I'd have a hard time finding it, and two, I'd have to find it on the pre-loved market, and you guys know that the pre-loved market, the minute things are limited edition and they sell out, the prices can be, you know, $200, $300, $500, $1,000 over retail, which I just wasn't, I was not willing to pay that kind of a markup for something I didn't know I even wanted to begin with. So, too much talking, and let's bring out the bag if you haven't already figured it out. It's the Speedy 30 in the Monogram Giant, and it's really quite spectacular. I love the red. I love the pink, I love the red, I hate the green, I hate the orange. I don't use those words lightly. And I'm trying to treat this bag very gingerly, since it's likely, you know, since I'm still trying to decide whether it will grow on me or not. And inside the bag is a beautiful pink interior. And it's a bandolier, I did not say that word. So it does also come with the black and white stripe and a matching gold lock. Yeah. I think it's stunning. I think it's stunning looking at it like this. I think it's stunning looking at it like this. And I did not see the pictures of this or this part of the bag until Tiffany texted me and said, your bag is here, here's some pictures. And I kind of felt like, what do I do? And I'm not saying that I don't like the bag. I do like the bag. I like the bag. I feel like I don't love the bag. Like, you know, like some bag, you see it and you just like, that's it, I've got to have it. Okay, so like, I'll give an example. I had the Louis Vuitton corset on my wish list. I wanted it in the Damier Azur print. Looking at the bag, just the bag itself, not the strap, everything, but just the bag itself, I loved it. Wanted it, everything. Went into the store, tried it on with the strap, took the strap, you know, tried to take the strap off, everything. I still like it, but that I gotta have it now pressure kind of just went away. I might still one day pick it up, but there's other bags that I would pick up first before I now picked up the Louis Vuitton corset. And that's kind of how I feel about this. I do like it, but when I think in terms of my complete wish list for bags, you know, the Hermes Garden Party or the Chanel Boy bag, or even just getting Monogram Louis Vuitton Speedy 25, I think I would rather put the money of this bag towards one of those bags. Like maybe 3 years from now, when this is no longer overly marked up on the resale market, I would pick it up. But even that, I don't think so. I don't know. And I know some of you are going to say, well, why don't you try to sell it on your own and make that money? I've thought about that, but I don't know if I want to deal with that either. I'd rather just return it and have somebody else the opportunity to pick up this brand new bag. And please note, I have not used it. Today, me touching this bag today is actually the most I've touched this bag since I got it. Which in itself, I took as a sign, because all the other pieces that are in the other unboxing video, I've been taking them out. I haven't used them as in put them in a purse and gone out the house, but I've taken them out, looked at them, taken pictures, everything, because I'm like, oh my gosh, this piece is beautiful. This piece, I opened the box, I looked at it, I was like, okay. And then I put it back. And I have not touched it since. And I've had these items most likely a week. So yeah, it's return or keep crunch time basically. So yeah. So yeah, I don't, like I said, I'm not sure if I'll post this video. I kind of wanted to discuss with you guys the thought process also that goes into, do you keep a bag or not, or why some of us may buy bags and decide to return them, and just that feeling that not every bag is the bag. And like I said, I'm going back and forth about whether I'll ever actually post this video, because I know I've done I'll click the video, I'll link the video up above, but I know I've done a video where I said people were unboxing just to ship things back. So you're unboxing for content on YouTube knowing full well that you can't keep something, which I don't like that practice. And so I don't want to be guilty of it, but I also at the same time kind of wanted to, maybe I just wanted to talk myself through the bag and why I think not to keep it or why to keep it. Other than that, I'm looking at it now. I put it on the bed in such a way that I can see the lime green part of the bag, and I'm just, it's not for me, so. Sorry, Tiffany, I think I have to return it. Anyway, guys, I feel like this video is such a downer. This is why you guys will likely never see it, because it just feels like a downer. But I will have the unboxing of the SLG items here. And another one, and I'm still waiting on a third SLG item that I did put in an order for. Hopefully I'll get that sometime soon. So. Alright guys, so didn't mean to be a downer, and of course thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget, choose happiness guys, choose happiness. I'm going to be happy with this bag regardless if I keep it or not. I'm going to be happy. Bags of bags, it's all the same thing. It's all the energy you put out into the world, and the best kind of energy to put out into the world is love and happiness. So put that out there, put that on yourself, bless yourself every day guys, really do that. So thanks so much.